Albatross Enterprises brings cutting-edge drone technology to the forefront of renewable energy innovation. Solar energy is the future, and our goal is to maximize its potential with efficiency and precision. Our drones provide advanced services in the solar industry, including high-resolution aerial inspections to detect panel defects, dirt, or shading issues, thermal imaging to pinpoint hotspots and identifying underperforming panels, detailed performance analytics to help you optimize energy output. Using state-of-the-art technology, we deliver fast, accurate, and actionable data, reducing inspection times by up to 70% compared to traditional methods. Our team ensures seamless integration of insights into your maintenance plans, helping you save time and cut costs. Partner with Albatross Enterprises to power the future of solar energy with efficiency, precision, and innovation.